Brillare's Natural Peel Program Mono Treatment is first ever skin regeneration treatment made with natural fruit acids and other skin healing actives, which exfoliates the skin without being harsh. So let's see the 6-step easy process of how to do the natural peel program. Step 1. Cleansing oil. Apply cleansing oil on face and neck and massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Add little water to form a milky emulsion and massage for another 3 minutes. Wipe with wet cotton. Step 2. Fruit peel. Apply peel first on affected areas with the help of dropper and leave for 2 to 3 minutes. Apply remaining peel all over face and neck evenly and leave for another 7 minutes. Now take little rehydrating milk, apply over face and neck, emulsify and remove with wet cotton. Give cold compression for 5 to 7 minutes. Step 3. Rehydrating milk. Apply the remaining rehydrating milk over face and neck and massage for 5 to 6 minutes or until the product is penetrated. Do not remove. Step 4. Ultimate Soothing Oil. Apply Ultimate Soothing Oil over face and neck and massage gently for 10 minutes for better absorption. Do not remove. Step 5. Peel off mask. Take peel off mask in a bowl and add water to form a smooth paste. With the help of spatula, apply a thick layer evenly all over the face. Leave for 15 minutes. Remove the mask and wipe the face lightly with wet cotton to remove the leftover particles. Step 6. Protection. Take pea-size sunscreen and spread it over entire face and neck. Blend well for even spreadability. In this way, Brillare's Natural Peel program helps skin breathe naturally and fight problems like pigmentation, aging, acne, and dryness.